In this video, I will show you how to fix the Telegram search bar not working on Android. This usually happens because of a cache issue, network problem, or a temporary app glitch. First, clear Telegram cache. Long press the Telegram app icon, tap App Info, then go to Storage and tap Clear Cache. If this issue still continues, you can tap Clear Data, but keep in mind you will need to log in again. Your cloud chats will still be safe. Next, check your internet connection. Turn on airplane mode for about 10 seconds, then turn it off. You can also switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see which one works better. You should also update Telegram. Open the Google Play Store, search for Telegram, and tap Update if an update is available. If it still doesn't work, force stop the app. Go to App Info again. Tap Force Stop this time. Then reopen Telegram and try the search again. As a final step, you can reset chat indexing. Go to Settings, scroll down to the version number. Tap and hold it under the debug menu appears. Then select Reset Chats. That's it, your Telegram search bar should now be working again. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.